Hello guys! So, dito kami ngayon sa White Sand. Ano na siya guys, 8:30 in the evening. See? Ipakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Paggabi dito. Punta muna tayo ng 7-Eleven. Yes. Yan guys. Simple. You see?
Wait, I check money first.
Tama na tayo dito sa kanan.
Then your money and your okay, I see. Wait. My friend,
Ito kami sa Four Fingers. Ang daming tao guys. See? See guys. Pasok na tayo sa White Sand. Okay. Ito ang first floor. First floor. See? Coffee topic. Guys, si Sketcher yan dito. Mayroon din silang Giordano. Pili-pili. Mayroon din McDonald's. Mayroon din silang Starbucks. Meron silang ano dito. Kompleto rin ito guys, ang mall dito. See? Sorella. Yan. See? Sheila, I think we go to NTUC. We buy your things first. The one you want. See? Yung mga ano ba? You see? Bago na pala yan. Bago din pala yan dito. So guys, mamakin mo. Parang ano, mahal din. Tagte 90. See? Sobrang mahal din. May mga kainan din dito. See? Ito ang mga pan dito guys. Mga dapat kainan. We go down to we go down to ano pa. Yeah guys, you see? You see this one guys is Watson. See? You need all the medicine, huh? This one, you see? All the bakwa. You see this one expensive. You see? Bakwa. There. Mahal yan. You see? Cakes. See? Kahit gabi dito guys, di ba? Ano na siya? Mag 9 o'clock. Let's see. Dito kami. Dito na kami sa Four Fries. See? Dito na tayo. So, ipakita ko sa inyo ang mga vegetable. You must ask your friends where,
The pork behind.
Okay, come. See? What chico? Vegetable. See, magtingin tayo dito ng mga ano, 30.95. See guys, kahit mga ano dito. Maybe the red rice is Herschel. See, red rice. Sesame on. Check now. I think it's this side. You call your friend first. Yes, yeah. See, 183 only. $1.83, not $2.
And my friend said $5.
No lah, you take 2 lah because I want so little. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, $4 only. This one is the one we eat, what? No?
Yeah, this one also I need.
You see, guys, very happy. Red rice, strawberry, $1.83. My friend very happy. Myanmar. You see, guys, mga fishball. Mga isda. Mura-mura lang mga isda dito, guys. Oh. At least ngayon, mura lang. Then pork, come here. You want to buy pork? Jill, you want to buy?
Need. Oh, no need this one only. Then later, you walk like a farm. Then, Pani, kalay po
See guys, this one mga frozen food. Frozen food. Maganda pag gabi, guys, see? Mga drinks, mga wine. Wine. Ito for 41. Brown Brothers. How are you? Banana? Do you take the where the vegetable is? My Myanmar friend is very, very happy. She very happy. Tell the banana that side. Hey, there, all the fruits. This side, Jill. Okay, guys. Papaya. Papaya, maganda ito lagyan ng ano, guys, manok. 395. Wait, You check, 320 ang mangga, dalawa 320. Sa atin nag 320 sobre 100, guys. Tatlong mangga 100, ito 265. Din $3, 120, guys. Bayabas 120, tatlo. Grabe. Yeah, you take the one you choose, Chel. 245. Yeah. You must read, no? You see, Del Monte quality. Wait. Nana, maybe the one. Yes. The one we have to weigh. Come, we weigh first. Come here. Okay. Beautiful night. Nice, eh? Gusto ko, guys, ipakita sa inyo ang view paggabi. Yeah, it's really, really nice, no? Maganda kasi pag gumala, paggabi, guys. No? Okay. See? Yan ang ano yan dyan, guys. 4th floor, saka 5th floor. See? See? Ganda, guys, no? Yes. Ito ang mall paggabi. Yan. Daming tao. Mag-alas 9 na ng gabi dito, guys, sa Singapore. Yan. Yan. See? Welcome. punta tayo guys sa Pinoy Store. Ito guys, oh, may pangalan dito, Value Dollar.
$1.
Yeah.
You buy something?
Yeah, snacks lang.
This one, my I think my coffee now, you know that. You drink. How much is this expensive one?
Ha?
My new expensive.
Which one?
Your drink, my new.
No, da. Quite expensive also, ha?
I don't want to let you go.
I still have my toothbrush. Dali. Kung gusto nyo mag-massage, may dito rin. Oh. Mayroon din silang Japan Home dito. May Medicare. Ha? Wow. Thank you guys for watching. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na ang gala-gala namin sa Gagabihon. Vibaysulana. Yes, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you. God bless us all. Hanggang sa susunod na mga video. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.